Screen share, and everyone please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, look at the title. This is my first paper when I started my academics. Look at my first paper, what I wrote. Does corporate governance mechanism improve shareholder value? A panel analysis of Malaysian listed companies. You're getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So my supervisor was Professor Yusuf Ibrahim and Ayub Chi Ahmed. And this is me, Anis. Okay.
Okay.
So look at the like you people are just you people will think that what basically corporate governance is. So coming to the title, does corporate governance mechanism improve shareholder value? So this is basically what is the purpose? This empirical study focuses on investigating the influence of corporate governance mechanism on shareholder value. The construct of CG mechanism is found by separate leadership, proportion of independent directors, independent chairman, independent nomination committee based on renowned agency theory. You are getting me?
Yes, sir.
So look at here, corporate governance mechanism is formed by, so formed by means what are the variables that will be the part of the corporate governance. So this is internal variable, separate leadership, proportion of independent directors, independent chairman, and independence of nomination committee. Okay. Coming
Yes.
to the, let's see, this is the literature. Okay, like the
Yes.
literature is, आपको literature से पता लग सकता है कि the beginning, अब इसको सुने, the beginning of the first decade of 21st century was marked by several scandals, frauds, and manipulating all kinds of information by big firms like Enron and WorldCom in the United States, HIH and OneTel in Australia, and Pawaja Steel, Technology Resource Industries, Transmile, Megan, Malaysian airline system, Port Klang Free Zone in Malaysia. So all these firms from US, Australia, Malaysia, these were involved into different type of scandals, frauds, and manipulation, which were controlled by the corporate governance mechanism. You are getting me?
Yes, sir.
ओके अब देखिए, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि कारपोरेट गवर्नेंस क्या है. कारपोरेट गवर्नेंस एक मैकेनिज्म है, एक यॉर्ड स्टिक है, एक सिस्टम है जिसके थ्रू आप स्कैंडल्स और फ्रॉड और मैनिपुलेशंस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन जो होती है उसको कंट्रोल करते हैं. लाइक एनरॉन बहुत बड़ी कंपनी थी 2001 में यूएस की.
Yes, sir.
वर्ल्डकॉम, ये इतनी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनियां थी, इन्होंने भी फ्रॉड किए हैं. ठीक है. सो आगे क्या कहते हैं, these scandal are established in the presence of misdeeds committed by the director belonging to large companies and normally supposed to be trustworthy person. So the point is over here that none the other but the director by himself committed the frauds. So these poor practices by directors and failure of big firms are considered an evidence of failure of corporate governance. Okay.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, the way you define corporate governance, what is the difference with the conflict management?
Conflict
Are there-
management? No. Conflict management is the human resource topic. Conflict management is a behavior type topic. Behavior topic, like you can put it into behavior finance. And the corporate governance is the codes, is the mechanism are the rules, regulation that are developed by the government in order to control all the misdeeds, manipulations and cash embezzlements. Like जब हम फ्यूचर में जाएंगे तो आप इसको क्या कहते हैं, और एक और सुन लें जरा डिफरेंस
Yes, sir.
कि conflict management is a qualitative study, while
Okay.
corporate governance is a quantitative study. Like conflict management cannot be measured directly. You cannot measure love, you cannot measure hate, you cannot measure behavior, you cannot measure conflict. क्योंकि दिल में भी conflict हो सकती है, दिमाग में भी हो
Yes, sir.
सकती है. But corporate governance codes can be quantifiable. Like अब यूएस में क्या कहा गया है कि हर बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स में 30% फीमेल होंगी. So look at here, 30% is a figure and it is in quantity.
Quantity.
ठीक है.
Okay.
इसी तरह पाकिस्तान में फीमेल की कोई परसेंटेज नहीं है,
बिल्कुल.
बल्कि आई विल प्रेज फीमेल कि आप लोग आगे रिसर्च पढ़ेंगे उसमें फीमेल डायरेक्टर और मेल डायरेक्टर पे जो 500 कंपनी के डिफरेंट मेल डायरेक्टर को लिया है और 500 फीमेल को लिया है और उसकी एफिशिएंसी चेक की गई है. तो फ्रॉड में फीमेल आर वेरी मच केयरफुल. जितने भी दुनिया में फ्रॉड हुए उसमें फीमेल जो है ना वो 1% है, कॉर्पोरेट फ्रॉड.
Okay.
ठीक है. उसकी वजह फिर ये है कि बाहर की दुनिया में नो डाउट फीमेल बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स में होती है लेकिन शी इज नॉट डायरेक्टली इन्वॉल्व. और पाकिस्तान में तो फैमिली ओन्ड बिजनेसेस में अगर फीमेल हैं देन ओके, अदरवाइज देयर इज नो परसेंटेज ऑफ फीमेल ओवर हियर इन कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस. बहरहाल अब हम चलते हैं टुवर्ड, अब समझ आई कन्फ्लिक्ट मैनेजमेंट और इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है.
Yes, sir.
आगे मैं आपको इस पेपर में समझा दूंगा कि क्या है. ये मैं जल्दी लिटरेचर रिव्यू है जी. अब ये देखो शेयर होल्डर वैल्यू, ये बेसिकली मार्केट परफॉर्मेंस है कि अगर देखें सो सिंपल, अगर किसी कंपनी के साथ बेहतरीन किस्म के बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स हैं जो कि हाईली एजुकेटेड है, जो कि एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, जिसकी गुडविल है, तो फॉर श्योर देयर डिसीजन विल बी वेरी गुड. क्योंकि वो क्या करेंगे, दे विल फॉलो द कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस रूल्स. देयर विल बी नो शॉर्टकट बाय देम बिकॉज देयर इज नो शॉर्टकट टू सक्सेस. यू हैव टू फॉलो अ लॉन्ग वे. अब ये शेयर होल्डर वैल्यू जो है दिस इज फर्म परफॉर्मेंस, ये फर्म परफॉर्मेंस. और हमारा टाइटल क्या था, टाइटल हमारा है
Does corporate governance
इम्प्रूव शेयर, यानी कॉर्पोरेट और कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस मैकेनिज्म किन चीजों से बना हुआ है. ये देखें, formed by separate leadership, proportion of independent director, independent chairman, independent of nomination committee. अब थोड़ा सा मैं आपको एक चीज दिखा देता हूँ, आप लोग इजीली क्लियर हो जाएंगे. अगर वो मैंने इसमें डाला हो, मैं ये पेपर खुद भूल गया हूँ. इसमें नहीं है, मैं दूसरे पेपर में देख लूँ, पेज 30 वाले. उसमें भी नहीं है. चले वही दिखा देता हूँ पहले, फिर आप लोग को समझ आ रही बातों की.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. अच्छा, तो मैं डू यू नो अबाउट द इकोनोमेट्रिक एंड थ्योरेटिकल मॉडल.
No, sir, we haven't studied about that.
Okay, so econometric model and theoretical model is like, for example, I can show you that. Let me write it down, then I will share with you people. Y is equal to a.
Sir, नमाज ब्रेक भी चाहिए.
हाँ, अभी अजान हो रही है.
Yes, sir.
मैंने भी पढ़नी है.
ठीक.
डोंट वरी.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so can you see this one?
Well, yes, sir. Regression.
My typing as well.
Linear regression.
Yeah, this is
Multiple.
SCADA. So what is
Multiple.
Y? What is Y?
Independent variables.
That is independent way. This is called econometric model as well. And the other one is
Oh, yes.
dependent variable.
Yes,
So
sir.
in the paper, I have
Dependent.
showed you that Y is equal to firm performance. Okay. And
Yes,
X
sir.
is your,
Dependent.
yeah, that is CG variables. Okay. So what
Yes.
does this means that performance CG variables, okay, variables will affect what? Will affect FFP. Okay. No, what this CG variable? This CG variables is divided into two. One is internal and one is external, and we are talking about the internal currently. And what is this FFP? FFP, you can take this FFE as a market performance, you can take as accounting performance, you can take as economic performance as well. So in a nutshell, these corporate governance, okay, these are the mechanism which will control the accounting frauds that will improve the firm financial performance. So here, this is a regression equation. What does this mean by error term? Error term क्या होता है?
Sir, जो error, सर एरर शो होता है जब हम लोग वो करते हैं कैलकुलेशन करते हैं.
No. Suppose we have we have 3 independent variable. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So there are also more than 3 variables as well, like it can be 5, it can be 10. So the error term is that terminology which shows that all those variable which is not part of this accounting or this econometric or this regression equation. मसलन अगर मैं कहूँ कि Y is Pakistan economy, X1 is unemployment, XY is Pakistan economy, X1 is unemployment, X2 is GDP, and X3 is current account.
Literacy rate. Okay.
Literacy rate, okay. So look, I only discuss about the 3, and this will impact on Pakistan economy. However, there are so many other as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are all those which are not defined in this equation is the part of the error term, or this
Okay.
error term is very much important for the future researcher, क्योंकि अगर किसी ने इन चीज़ों पे रिसर्च की है, then he will find out all those variable which is not part of this equation. So
So sir, we can say कि error term is the remaining variables. They could be the remaining variables.
yes,
जो पूरी तरह से actual relationship को define करने के लिए manifest नहीं हो सकते somehow.
yes. ये भी हो सकता है. दूसरी ये कि sometime you ignore that variable that is important. Sometime you intentionally left over that variable because that is not important. However, a researcher will write at the end of his thesis that beside the independent variable I have selected for my research, there are some other variables which is part of the error term that can also be included in the future research as well. So every MPhil student at the end of his thesis will give a future direction to the coming MPhil student, and that direction is hide in the shape of error term. ओके समटाइम आप लोग फ्यूचर रिसर्चर के लिए लिख लेते कि ये 3 वेरिएबल मैंने डाले, इन 3 के अलावा और भी 4-5 वेरिएबल है जो कि इंपॉर्टेंट है, सो फ्यूचर रिसर्चर इस पे काम करें. जो 3-4 वेरिएबल आप कह रहे हैं इंपॉर्टेंट है और आपने नहीं लिए, दैट इज पार्ट ऑफ द एरर टर्म. सही है, क्योंकि रिसर्च
Yes,
इज
sir.
नॉट always ideal. Regression result will never be greater than 1. Regression result will always be less than 1. If you got the regression result 1, then it means that there is no error term in the world. However, it is impossible, not only in social science research, but always in basics research as well, like in physics, chemistry is, and biology as well. So
Okay.
take a break, namaz
Yes.
padh leं, and then
Yes.
come to me. We will go for further. If you want to discuss something, then write it down. We will discuss it after the break.
So
Thank
how
you.
long the break is going to be?
Up to you people.
So अगर आप एक
It's
बता दें अंदाज़न so that we can be back by that time.
बस नमाज तो हम बड़ी जल्दी में पढ़ लेते हैं 3-4 मिनट में.
So 10 to 15 minutes is okay?
Yes, come on. 6:35.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.